Alright, so we're on to the fifth episode, I'm guessing. And another pace that I've learned from is sorry, I have to look at the pace for this. Math. Um so I'm if it was me, I would be thinking why what did you learn from math? Like what is there to learn? A lot of things. I mean you yeah. There are many useful principles actually in math. That's why it's a really nice thing about it, aside from just numbers and stuff. And I know that I think I'm not supposed to read from the pace, or try not to, but it's in the pace, and I really can't memorize this much stuff, so I have to read it from the pace. And these are really just interesting principles from the pace that I've found out from, and I'll just be reading them to be honest. So the first one is: a wise person works hard and plans ahead, but the foolish person sleeps away his opportunities and suffer for it later. So basically, what this principle is trying to talk about, or in my opinion, it's saying that a person who, well, is wise always thinks ahead, or plans ahead, and that actually helps, especially when you're need to finish a lot of stuff and you need to schedule it. Basically, working hard. So, yeah, planning ahead is a really useful advice for a person. But then it says here, the foolish person sleeps away the opportunities and suffers for it later. So what I got from this principle, the second part of it, is a foolish person, as it says, who delays their work or just procrastinates, which I keep mentioning a lot lately, or yeah, just puts it off on one side, makes it like keeps it in a pile. um that kind of person will actually um have a really hard time. um how do I say this? They would really have a hard time working on it or handling it, because it would be really just a pile of things that you have to finish, and it's just the work that you just put off because you just didn't want to do it, or you were just really procrastinating in general. And the second one: by failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. Yes, I really relate with this. Um, it basically explains itself. By failing to prepare, if you fail to prepare for something that is important, or just something that you need to prepare for, you're just gonna prepare to fail. So you're not gonna. How do I explain this in my own words? Well, I'm not sure if I can explain it, but it literally just says there: by failing to prepare, you are preparing to fail. So if you don't prepare um, ahead, mm, you will just be preparing yourself to fail and get knocked down. Well, yeah, I'm not sure if I could read anything else, but that's something that I've learned from math base. So I think this is gonna be the end of the episode. So